Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and only people over 14, welcome to Shaky Vlog, maybe a how-to video. Feel bad making this how-to vid because it's going to be very short how-to. What am I doing? I am taking whatever this is called. I believe it's a quiche dish. You cook stuff in it. Anyways, quiche or a dessert. Anyways, what I'm going to do though is turn it this way and it becomes a bottle cap. Here's the one I took and sprayed a bunch of primer on it. And then, yeah, this is what it looked like before. Again, meant to actually be a cooking dish. My plan is to then put a layer of red on. This is primer, of course. And then I cheated. I'm not very good with stencils, so I got a Nuka Cola decal, 5 inches. That is about 6 inches, so it's just gonna be within a circle here. Put that on there, and then I have a Nuka Cola cap. Gonna drill a hole in it, and then I'm gonna take these, if you can see them, spray them white. Again, white on red, classic Nuka Cola or Coca-Cola phrase. And take one of these, put it on the inside. I might need to cover it up, but we'll see. Cover it, I mean is, that's tin, excuse me, that's metal. And it's probably go echo if there's any ticking. So, like the clock I made here, there's no ticking. So hopefully it stays that way, but if not, I could put some foam around it to kind of, anyways, that's the long short. Let's see how it actually turns out. Okay, it's a week later. I've been to New Orleans, Boston, and back, and I got this in the mail. So now I'm going to try applying it. Again, a little bit cheaty, just using a custom cutout, but one thought was I could do this over the white, paint red, then pull it off. But anyways, I still like the way it looks. See how this affects my ability to put numbers on there. That looks pretty damn good. Nice. There's a little bit of sheen on it. Now I need to decide if I want to do the numbers and also how to get the hole in the middle. And there we are, just above, well, on the alcohol, is my custom Nuka Cola clock. Made for, let's see, $3. This was about $4. The rest of the stuff I had, but that's pretty cheap. So let's say under $30. So again, got this at a Goodwill though. So that's a hard thing for me to say. You can make this for only blank dollars when I found these two pieces at a Goodwill. So, but we'll see how long it works. Anyways, thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.